BabyBus.
Woohoo! Ah! Huh? Oh no! Hey! No! The vending machine is broken! What am I gonna do? Whoa! Someone's coming! Oh no, it's Whiskers!
I need a battery for my toy. Where can I buy it? It's a vending machine. I'll have a battery.
He needs a battery. What am I going to do? I got it.
Wow! Oh, I got a battery!
I almost got caught. Oh no! Rudolph? Please don't come here! Don't come here!
There's a vending machine. I want to buy soda.
Oh no, there's no soda.
What's going on? Why does it take so long?
Oh, I have an idea. Hey. Oh, yeah! I am just too smart.
I want to buy something else.
He wants to buy another one? No matter what he buys, I'm gonna find a way.
I want to get an apple. Someone had a bite of this apple. What's going on?
Oh no. I have an idea.
It's a new apple? Oh, yeah! The vending machine automatically changes its goods. Miumiu, come over here! Look at this magical vending machine!
Magical vending machine? Really? I want to try it.
Oh no, Miumiu's really smart. How am I not going to get caught?
I'll have lemon juice.
Lemon juice? Which one's lemon juice? Let me try this one.
No, this is not lemon juice. Wow, it really changes things.
You see? I told you.
No, not this one. Okay, then forget about lemon juice. I'll have milk.
Milk? I got it! Oh, please work this time.
Kiki, come out. I know it's you.
Miu Miu, I broke the vending machine.
You did? Look, it's not broken. It's just unplugged.
BabyBus vending machine.
Huh? It really is.
Let me try.
Do-do-do-do-do. Huh? He looks familiar. Where did I see him before? Aha! He looks just like me. What's that smell? It smells really good. Huh? Huh? Who's there? Huh? No, we have to wait for Kiki. Wow, lots of yummy food. Oh, I haven't eaten anything for a long time.
It looks like Kiki's still sleeping.
Sleeping? Is it the guy I just saw? Aha! I should pretend to be him. Here I am.
You're finally here. I'm starving.
Huh?
It's so hot, so hot.
Watch out for the juice!
Yeah, whoa.
Wow, awesome. I'll show you some of my magic. Yes.
Okay.
Okay then, close your eyes and turn around. Are you ready? Almost.
I want to open my eyes now.
Oh, I'm hungry. Do you have something to eat?
Kiki!
Huh?
Huh? Where's my apple?
Ah, it must be a big fish. Why is it an apple?
Wow, there's lots of fish. You have the apple, I'm taking the fish.
My fish! Kiki, stay right there.
Guys, wait. Why are you ignoring me?
You ate the food all by yourself. We're not friends anymore. Huh? He's right.
Huh? I ate it all. I didn't do that.
Stop! Don't run! Come back!
Huh?
Kiki! How can there be two Kikis?
Give me my fish back!
Whoa.
Ah. Ow!
Now I know you're not Kiki. Huh? All right, time to go.
You're the one who ate all our food. Stop!
Hey, stop!
Watch out!
Bye-bye.
Oh, I have an idea. I'll get him. You have nowhere to go.
Go, Kiki, go!
Way to go!
Kiki, watch out! Wait! Kiki! Somebody help!
Oh, let me help!
Kiki! Somebody help! Huh? Kiki, are you okay?
I'm all right. Thank you. Thank you.
And you are...
Huh. I knew it! You were a fake one! Kiki might be a troublemaker, but he won't steal my fish!
I'm sorry. My name is Bay. I was just so hungry. I live in the North Pole. There's nothing to eat because of the pollution. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done it.
It's all right. Thanks for saving me.
Huh? Yes, you were awesome.
Right. You were amazing.
You guys. Aw.
Take this food with you so you won't be hungry.
Thank you, Kiki. Thank you, everyone.
Goodbye, Bay!
Goodbye.
Wait!
Oh?
Wait! Take these 2 crabs I caught today! May I have your attention, please? The sports event will be held in Hall 6 and Little Inventor competition in Hall 9. All participants, please get ready.
Yeah! I'm going to win the sports competition. You'll see. I'll come in first.
No, I'm going to win.
I don't think you'll win. Huh.
Come on, I can't be late. Little Inventor competition of Hall 9. Hall 9. This must be the place for the competition. I'm gonna win. Ha ha!
The competition will begin soon. First up is the pole jump. Participants, get yourselves ready. Ready?
Wait!
Oh? Ready? Go.
Hey? So you want to give up?
Cool! Amazing! Pole jump! Oh! It must be a chance to test my invention! I know how to win the pole jump! Jumping shoes! Jumping shoes! Oh, watch me! These are the jumping shoes I made. With these, I can jump very high. What's wrong? Again. Here I go.
Huh? Where's he gone?
Hey! Hello, I'm here.
What? I can't believe this.
The winner of the event is Kiki. Next up, shot put.
Hey. Hey.
10 meters.
You see that? Just give up.
No way! I've got an idea! This is the wrist guard I invented. It has a magnet inside which can push and pull things. Punch!
20 meters, a new record. The winner is Kiki. Next up, weightlifting. I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
I'll show you what I've got.
I'm not afraid of you. Watch me.
Love.
I invented this glove too. It makes me 20 times stronger than I really am. Not to mention the weight, I can lift you too.
The winner today is Kiki.
Super athlete? Why is it not best inventor? Jumping shoes, magnetic wrist guard, and super glove. I wanted to be the best inventor. Oh! Ah!
Wow, so strong.
Oh no! The wrist guard's pull function is on! Ah! Ah! No! Stop pulling! Stop pulling! Best inventor? Oh, the best inventor medal! So this is Hall 9! Oh.
A free cola coupon? Wow! Huh? Sorry, it's expired. What? Expired? I didn't drink it yet. Ugh. You can't return it because you opened it. Then I'll go get some money. I'm afraid that you need to pay before you leave. What should I do? Aha! I can call Miumiu for help. Cell phone. Now I have a cell phone. Hello? Why is it not working?
Weak signal again.
Weak signal. Signal. Oh. Huh? Miu Miu! Miu Miu! Miu Miu! Miu Miu! Pay before you leave. She didn't hear me. What should I do? Huh? I have an idea. Loudspeaker. Miu Miu! Miu Miu! Please keep your voice down. Miu Miu. Huh?
Thank you, Hank. Here's your money.
Thank you, sir. Call whenever you need me.
Getting money by carrying boxes? I can do that. Oh, this is too heavy. What should I do? Aha! Hand cart.
What are you doing here?
I'm trying to help. Look at this. Can you pay me now?
Help? I'm going to send these goods out. They should be in the truck. Oh. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Oh.
I have to go home to get my money. But how can I leave? Contact lenses? I have an idea. Invisible cap. Cap. Invisible. Invisible cap. If I put this on, nobody will see me. Let me give it a try. Ha! What is it? Ouch! It really works. Weird. The bottle didn't hit the ground. I gotta go.
Look, it's moving by itself. Let's catch it.
It was Kiki!
You again. Stop messing around.
And you haven't paid for it. You were trying to steal it.
No, I wasn't. I just wanted to go home to get some money. I didn't know that the coupon was expired.
Oh?
Now
I see.
Don't cry. I'll pay for you.
Wait, look at this. Free. It's a free cola.
What? Free? It was free?
Mr. Dow, are you alright?
Of course I'm okay. Look, I'm just doing yoga.
Wow, that's awesome!
Of course it is. It's a piece of cake.
Huh? Are you okay?
Of course I'm fine. It's just one of those incredible yoga postures.
Huh? Mr. Dow, what's that?
Huh?
That looks pretty cool.
That's my master's new invention. It's a robot dog assistant.
Huh? Wow, I want to have a look.
Huh? Oh, wait, Kiki. Oh, that's not good.
Mr. Dow! Mr. Dow! Come and see this!
What are you doing?
Look! It looks exactly like you!
That's silly.
This is so cool! Let's take a picture together!
Unidentified optical detected. Unidentified optical detected. Unidentified optical detected.
Mr. Dow! Did the robot dog throw you out too?
Well, actually, it's more than that. Since the robot dog came, my master only cares about him and doesn't need me anymore.
That's so bad! I'll take the robot dog out!
How?
Just trust me! Ha-ha! BabyBus!
Magic Chinese characters!
Ho-ho! Hee-ha!
Huh? A toy gun? Are you kidding me? What are you gonna do with that?
Follow me! He's over there!
Huh? We made it!
Oh! Huh?
Unidentified obstacle detected.
Oh, it hurts. Huh? Where's Mr. Dow?
I shouldn't have trusted you, little kid.
Huh? Mr. Dow, don't be upset. Let's fight him back.
No, forget it. I think I should just leave.
Huh? Mr. Dow! Mr. Dow! Look at this picture.
Oh? That's right. There's a switch on him. But how do we get close enough to him?
I have an idea. BabyBus!
Magic Chinese characters!
Ho-ho! Ay-ha! He won't recognize us this time.
We made it! Ha You'll know what it feels like to be thrown away. Security mode on.
Oh no! Run! Mr. Dow, come upstairs! Luckily, he can't climb up the stairs.
We're finally safe.
Now, have you seen the robot dog? Where is everybody? Huh?
Hello? Is my robot dog fixed now?
I'm so sorry. I'll need 2 more days. I'll send it to you once it's done.
Aha! Someone sent the robot dog to get fixed. My master still needs me. Yeah!
Look! There's something sparkly!
Huh?
Let's go have a look!
Ooh, what's in the cave? It's so amazing. I've got to go bring my master.
Oh, hi, Mr. Dow! What are you doing here?
Huh? Oh, nothing. Just leave me alone. I'm busy.
Oh, let me help you!
No, just go away.
Oh, be careful! Oh, hey! Come and help us!
I'm a-coming!
Thank goodness.
Is everyone okay?
Oh no! We're stuck in this cave. You've messed everything up.
Well, what do we do now?
Wow! Come over here!
Wow! It's stunning! Whoa!
What's wrong with you guys? It's a crystal! Ooh!
Mr. Dow, I can help you!
What happened?
I don't know. Miu Miu, be careful!
What's the red thing down there? It's too hot in here.
Magma! That's magma! We're dead. It's gonna turn me into a hot dog.
I got it! We'll be safe when we can get to the other side. Let's jump across.
Wow! Brilliant!
Let me go first. Hey!
Ah! Haha, we're safe! Mr. Dow, thank you!
Oh no!
Ooh! Oh, I'm safe too.
Oh no! What have I done? Oh no! What can I do? What do I do now? Master, you'll never see me again. Please help me. Pull me up! Come on!
It's too hot. I'm choking.
I want to go home.
Everybody calm down. Let's go over there. There might be another way out.
Right, let's go.
That's the only way.
It's so hot. Ah! Was I just floating? Miu Miu, come over here.
Hey! Wow, I made it!
Oh. Hey everyone! I think I found a way out.
A way out? That high? Are you going to fly out of the cave?
Fly out? Fly out?
Yeah.
We can fly out of the cave!
Kiki, we'll help you.
How are you going to fly? Turn into a bird?
Take me with you.
Me too! Yeet!
We're falling down.
Maybe we're too heavy. Look out,
Too
everyone!
heavy. What do we do?
Too heavy! What do we do? Oh no!
Pressure down! Throw away the crystal!
No! I can't give up the crystal! Wow! Whoa! It's too hot! Too hot!
Woohoo! We made it!
Where's my crystal? My crystal!
It's so hard being a salesman. I haven't sold any kitchenware all morning. Huh? Mr. Fu's restaurant? I'd better eat first. Huh?
The score is 1-1 right now. On to the next round.
Cooking competition? Huh? It's Miu Miu! That's awesome! I sure hope that she wins.
Judge, my oven is broken.
Oh no!
Look, my cake is burnt.
You'll just have to find another way, or Hank will win.
Miu
Huh?
Miu, I'll help you. Oven! This is my magical oven. Just cook anything in it for 3 seconds and it will become something delicious.
But I don't know how to use it.
I'll help you. Hey. Ta-da! Fresh and delicious fluffy cotton candy out of the oven. Whoop. Hey.
Ah! Wow, it tastes good.
And this burnt cake, just put it in the oven for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Wow, what a magical oven! Now the score is 2-1. Miu Miu is 1 point ahead.
Yeah, all right.
Now it's the stir-frying round. The cooking fumes are making Hank cough. How is Miu Miu doing?
I think I can't breathe.
Watch this! Frying pan. This is a magical wok. Hey. 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 It fries automatically without fumes. Hey. Food won't spill out. And you'll get a lot of food with only a small amount of ingredients. Woohoo!
Ah, it smells great! What a magical wok! Miu Miu gets one.
I have a magical pot too. Soup pot.
What is this magical kitchenware?
This is my magical pot. It makes soup in 3 seconds and serves it automatically.
Ah, it smells great. I need a big bowl.
Huh? Mr. Fu, please try some of our soup.
Great! I'll have some in the super big bowl. Oh.
So delicious. It is really good. Miu Miu gets 1 point. It's now 4-1. Miu Miu is in the lead.
Whoa, we have cake, veggies, and soup already. Oh, now I'm going to make some fresh fruit juice. Juice maker. Yee.
It's wrong. The outlet should be at the bottom and the inlet at the top.
Oh, you're right. I'll have to reassemble.
But we're running out of time.
No problem. Let's make a fruit platter. This magical juicer can turn fruits into juice. So, if it's the wrong way around, it can turn juice into fruits.
Huh? Is that possible?
Of course. Mr. Fu, could you please give me some mixed fruit juice? Hey. Hee hee! Ha ha! Da-da-da! Hey! Whoa!
Wow!
Now it's 5-1. How amazing! Now I declare today's winner is...
Oh, I object! It wasn't even Miumiu that cooked. It was Kiki. And he's not a contestant, so he cannot win. Hank is right. Kiki is not a contestant, so he cannot win.
Miumiu, I'm sorry. I was trying to help, but I ruined everything.
It's okay. I didn't win, but it was fun using your magical kitchenware. Can I buy them?
Really? You're my first customer.
I would like a set for my restaurant, too.
Hold on. Me too.
They're mine. I'll buy all of Kiki's kitchenware.
Woohoo! I sold them all! I sold them all! Whee! Yay!